Hello everyone, my name is Megan and welcome to another episode of Roleplay How To! Roleplay How To is a series that aims to help you guys create your own roleplays. A quick disclaimer, this is not us telling you how to make your own roleplays, this is just us showing you how we make ours. So last episode, Cam went through skins, so today I will be going through Blockbuster and how to use it. So yeah, that's all I need to say, let's get into the video. So for this video, I will be using Blockbuster version 2.3.3. So for me, the default key you need to press to open the menu is 0. I don't know if it's something else for you, you'll need to go into your controls and check that out. But for me, all I have installed here is Blockbuster, as you can see here, emoticons. These are the keybinds for everything, glib and metamorph. So these are all the little tabs you have over here. The most used one is the scene. Go ahead and click this. At the moment I have all of these loaded, but for now I will be showing you how you can make your own. So in order to do that, you go up here, press these 3 lines. These are all the scenes we have open at the moment. You go here to this plus that says add a scene, click that, and just type in anything you want to. I'm just going to do Roleplay How To, press OK, and that will create a new scene. To get rid of this, you just press these 3 lines up here. Now to create a character, you go down here where it says add a replay, press this and it will create one for you. Up at recording ID, to get rid of all of it at the same time, you hold Control and backspace on your keyboard and then just type in the name of the character, so I'm just going to do Megan. So once you have put in your recording ID, you don't need to pay attention to any of this unless it has enabled, unless this is checked on, otherwise you won't be able to see your character. So anyway, down here you will press pick, then it will come up with all these little morphs here. It can get very confusing, so just don't worry about it. Down here, if you scroll, unless it's already on your screen, here it says Blockbuster models. So if you select them, here it will say blockbuster.alex. So make sure you have Alex highlighted, go down here and press edit. And then at the moment you have no skin. So how do you get a skin? Down on the bottom right, it says materials. Press this, and then up here, press pick skin. And then here it was a little confusing. But up here you press B.A and then it will have all your different folders here. Now I'm going to go through this in just a second. So when you're moving skins over to the Blockbuster config folder, you want to go into your .minecraft, which is just Windows key and R. So if you do that, then it will pop up with this run, and then you need to put in percentage app data percentage, press OK, and then this should come up, and then you just press on the .minecraft folder. So you want to look for config, double click that, and then go to Blockbuster down here, double click that, and then don't go to skins because that's not where you need to go. Go to models, and then Alex, and then skins. And then this is where you put the skins. So I've already done it, but what you need to do is just go over to where your skins are, press it, Control C, and then over here Control V and copy it over. Don't drag it because it will just move the skin over to this one and then you'll lose it on that folder. It will just become a mess. So that's how you put skins into the Blockbuster folders. So once you have done that, you go into, sorry I accidentally clicked something, you go into the folder that you just put the skin in, so that was Alex, and then it will appear here. I don't know what that title, just ignore that. And then it will appear on your little Blockbuster. Cute! So once you have put your skin in, you want to press escape or the X down here, and then X down here. It's very confusing. And there it is! So this is when you get to record them. You press record up here, boom, this is when we're recording the characters. And now some people just go straight into the text and then you can press click here, but another short thing that you can do is you can just press the slash on your keyboard to get the commands up, and then the up arrow, and then you get it. Then press enter, and it will say recorded Megan in some things, and then boom, you've got the character, and then we can just walk around, which is scary. We can just walk around, maybe do a little bit of jumping or whatever, and then once you're done recording or whatever, maybe bob her head like she's talking, go to the slash, up arrow, press it again, and it'll teleport you back to where you started, which is quite good. Now, I think I was sitting down, I can't remember, but this is another point. So if you want to play your actions, so in this version, it's literally all keybinds, which is really, really annoying. But how I set my keybinds, go into options, controls, scroll down to Blockbuster, here, play/stop scene. Oh my god. And then mine is left bracket. Yours can be anything. It can be like O9DF. Just make sure that it's not connected to another keybind like these red ones here. Oh my god, my commands are a mess. My controls. So make sure it's any keybind you want, done like that, and then press the keybind and it should wake her up. And then there she is. She's walking around like a normal character. You can do whatever she wants. So lovely. Now, another thing that you might be wondering is how do you get the characters to be smaller and how do you do poses? So, poses is actually interesting. Poses are my favourite thing to do. So, go back into the Blockbuster menu. It will appear here. Now, if we don't want her to appear, we don't want her body to appear anymore. Press add another replay, pick another one, whether it be Alex or any other ones. We're going to go for Alex. You can press edit down here, pick another skin like we were doing. I'm going to pick the same one, and then you can change the name. I'm just going to name it to Megan Big Batty. And then you go down here to edit, and then this is where it gets really, really cool. So create pose here. I mean, you can do any of these. You can do lying, riding, sitting, sleeping, sneaking, T-pose, whatever. I'm gonna reset pose. If you accidentally click on any of these, don't worry, you don't have to you can just reset here. So create pose, and then we've got it all here. This is where it gets really nice. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make her, should we make her dance? We're gonna make her dance. So you select the arms over here, and then these little tools here, you can rotate them, and then you can like angle them at different places. You can make them go out, and then I'm gonna do the other arm, something really simple. Well, simple, I don't know. Make her go like this. Wow, she's scary. And then let's do the legs. Let's make her look really, really scary and really, really freaky, because that's what we like on this channel. There we go. She looks like she's trying to do splits in the air. Anyway, so once you are done with that, we press escape or X on the menu, and then we can press record again. And then so just command up arrow enter, wait for it to pop out, and then as she's walking she's looking a bit freaky, but it's still working. She looks funny, right? Command up arrow to stop. We go back to the same place where we started recording, press the keybind to start the scene, and there she is. So that's the end of this roleplay how-to. I hope this was helpful in any way it can be. So I'm not really going to go into details about this mod because you can find more detailed tutorials on the Mook Horse YouTube channel. I will link that in the description below for those who are having trouble. I know I sometimes refer back to the channel if I'm struggling with like, I don't know, fight scene animations, etc, etc. So yeah, I hope this was really helpful and shows how we record our role plays. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or if you have any problems, please comment below and I will try my best to respond as fast as I can. So that's it for this roleplay how-to episode, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!